How to subscribe to Natural Readers. So let's go to Google and search for Natural Reader. Make sure it says naturalreaders.com. Click on the website. Then go to Get Started. Click Personal. If you are doing commercial, click Commercial. At the bottom left corner, it says Login or Sign Up. Click on that. I'm gonna log in to my account. I'm logged in right now. Over here it says upgrade. If you click on that, it's gonna send you to the subscription plan. You can select your plan over here. If you just signed up, it's gonna say current plan. If you wanna do monthly or yearly, just click on that. It's gonna change to monthly or yearly. The other way to get here is, let's go back and then click on your account. It's gonna say upgrade over here. Just click on that and you're gonna get here. And it's the same place. If you go to the bottom, it's gonna say show all features. Click on that and you can compare all the plans. So once you are ready, click select plan. I'm gonna do monthly and click select plan. Over here you're gonna fill out your information and then click subscribe, and they're gonna charge you depending on the amount you selected. Once you click subscribe, you can go back to the website. And over here, if you click subscription and billing, it's not gonna say free plan, it's gonna say the other plans. And this is how you will be able to subscribe to Natural Readers. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, and thank you for watching.